Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2-pack replacement remote control for Roku TVs. Compatible with brands like TCL, Hisense, ONN, Sharp, Philips, Element, and Westinghouse. If you've ever lost your Roku TV remote or needed a reliable backup, this product claims to offer a simple, hassle-free solution. Out of the box, this remote is ready to use with no programming required. You just need to insert two AAA batteries, power on your TV, and it automatically pairs, replacing your original remote seamlessly. This makes it a convenient option for anyone looking to avoid the usual setup process that can sometimes be a headache. The build quality is another highlight. Made from high-quality ABS and silicone, the remote is designed to be durable and long-lasting. ABS material enhances its sturdiness while keeping it safe for everyday handling, including around children. The silicone elements add a comfortable touch, making the buttons easy to press without slipping. Compatibility is clear but specific. This remote works only with Roku series TVs, so TCL Roku TVs, Hisense Roku TVs, ONN Roku TVs, Sharp Roku TVs, Philips Roku TVs, Element Roku TVs, and Westinghouse Roku TVs are all supported. It's important to note that it does not work with Roku sticks, boxes, or speakers. Nor does it support older Roku players like the Roku Ultra or Express models. So, if you're looking for a replacement for a streaming stick, this isn't the one. Functionality-wise, this remote comes equipped with 8 shortcut buttons for popular streaming apps. These include Disney, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Prime Video, Sling, Apple TV+, and Vudu. This makes accessing your favorite content faster and more intuitive. The infrared technology ensures strong signal strength and stable performance, allowing the remote to follow the movement of the TV page without noticeable delays. In terms of size, each remote measures approximately 6.1 by 3.5 by 0.75 inches and weighs around 3.8 ounces. This makes it lightweight and easy to handle. With a pack of 2, you not only have a backup but also the flexibility to keep one in different rooms. The manufacturer, Nanjing Beiming Technology Company, Limited, positions this as a cost-effective, reliable alternative to your original remote without compromising on quality or functionality. With its straightforward setup, durable materials, and app shortcut keys, it is designed to provide a smooth and convenient user experience. Overall, the 2-pack replacement remote control is a practical solution for anyone who owns a compatible Roku TV and needs a reliable remote replacement. Whether you're tired of misplacing your remote or just want a secondary option, this product is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights.